Today we are taking a closer look at this 4-in-1 cordless pet care vacuum. I did receive it as a gift, and in this video I'd like to show you what comes in the box, how to use it, and share the things that I absolutely love about it, and maybe the things that I wish were different. Here's everything that we have included in the box. We have our demating comb, silicone brush. It is very soft, regular comb, and this is very soft as well. Little brush for cleaning. And lastly, we have our blow attachment. And of course, our pet vacuum and grooming tool. And look how cute and adorable this is. This is very, very cute. It is pretty nice size. I like that it's not too heavy, so it feels very comfortable in hand. It is pretty easy to use. We're gonna press down on this thing right here, and we're gonna choose a comb that we want and just press it down. Once you release it, it stays nice and in place. It's not going anywhere. To take it off, press it, and it falls out without any effort. On off button right here. By placing this blower right here, we're gonna be able to blow at things. As you can see, it brushes the fur and it suctions it. So with this tool, you can brush out your dog's fur and it's not gonna fly all over your house. It's gonna be collecting inside of this little thing. I absolutely love this vacuum. It is very, very nice. And to clean it off, we're gonna press this right here, and it's gonna move the fur toward the end of the comb. And as for the things that I wish were different, I couldn't think of anything honestly. So I think this is very nice vacuum brush. I really like it. Totally recommend it.